Yo, I don't want nobody a call Kartel name boy forget nothing. You see, all of uno, we sit down and watch Kartel money. Call for the rest of the artists and do so. Call for the Ayactine them. Ayactine. You love the spotlight. So forward at the front of the line, you know. Or sell one of them gold chain and give back something to Jamaica. We don't want to hear nothing about an album where you promote or no Grammy where you. We don't want to hear nothing about that. We are talking about Jamaica now. We don't love the spotlight. So you see, like, we don't love the spotlight. We don't love the spotlight for giving back now. Jamaica need help. We don't stop watch Kartel money. I don't want nobody to come talk about Kartel to do this. Alright, hats off Beanie Man. Hats off Sean Paul. I see what you're going with. Hats off Shaggy. See what you're going with. Hats off Romish. I see what you're going with. I love that. Vanessa Bling. I see what you're going with. I love that. The rest of the artists, them, man. The massacre them. Rich. Yeah, man. We need to see more action from you. All of who they in a spotlight. Alright. Why don't you just leave pan Kartel and watch Kartel money? I don't understand. Why you just Kartel money? You don't see no other artist in the dance hall you can call? I'll be a comment where Kartel do yet. Where Kartel do this. Where Kartel do that. We don't want to see Kartel do nothing. Kartel stay out of that one. Kartel stay out of that one. I don't want to see you do nothing. I want to see the rest of them. The cranium them. I want to see the rest of them. The Dexter Daps them. Yeah, man, Khalid, now the time for you give back, man. Now the time for you give back, Khalid. You, give back. Give back to Jamaica now. Khalid, you we are talking about now. Culture vulture. Give back to your culture. Yeah, man, the Russian them. The whole of them, we want to see everybody a push out, man. We don't want to see the talking about Kartel and who watch Kartel money and who watch this. No, we don't want to see that. Yeah, man, give back, man. Wanna give back, man. The GF3 of them, I love the spotlight. You see all of them, I love the spotlight. Wanna come to the front of the line now. Yeah, man. Give back, man. Stop watch Kartel money, man. We don't want you nothing about Kartel or Kartel agi, or who Kartel agi, or who Kartel agi yet. We don't want to hear nothing about Kartel. Kartel has done it a lot already for them come out. We don't want to hear nothing more about Kartel. We want to hear about the rest of the artists them. The Chronicler them. We want to hear about the rest of the artists them. The Hintens them. The Alkaline. The Malidan. The rest of the artists them. We want to hear about them. The High Water them. The one them love the spotlight. Who don't love the spotlight? No. The World Dog them. We want sooner the spotlight? No. We don't love Jamaica so much. We want to see you in the front of the line. I stay so. I do what you're supposed to do, you know. You stop watch Kartel money. Stop watch your Kartel now do and what Kartel do. We don't want to hear nothing about Kartel. I'm tired of it. I say, yo, I deal with something I tell you. I just, from me I scroll on the net, I just Kartel me I see. What Kartel do yet? Kartel give nothing yet. Kartel this yet. Kartel that yet. We don't want to hear nothing about Kartel. Kartel keep your money this a trip. We don't want you give nothing. No do nothing. Or even if you go do it, hide and do it. No do nothing. Make them continue talk. The rest of the artists them for come out and do what them for do now. We don't want to hear nothing about Kartel money. Kartel keep your millions of dollars. We don't want to see it. The rest of the artists them push out. The higher tier. You especially love the front of the line. You love the spotlight. You love to come with the motivation corner. Motivate the youths now with some money. Go sell to them gold chain there. And that we are dealing with. We don't want to hear nothing more. Anything we say I come with, we don't want to hear it, brother. We don't always disappear when the time comes when you give and do something. Why? Go give back. We don't want to see nothing else. We just want to see who give. We don't want to hear talking about this and talking about that. We want to see who give back. Low Kartel name. Low Kartel name out tight. Left the one them always do, kinda left their name out tight. The Spice them left their name out tight. Spice always a give. We don't want to see none of them name day night. We want to see the one them always in the spotlight. And when time for confident give back, then disappear. You don't see them, you don't hear back about them until time again now for them come enough up themselves. All of the artists them, man. The whole of them we are talk about. You don't know yourself. I go and create a blood clot list so I just start call out on the name. We don't need to give back. We want to see who not give back. We don't want to hear so we used to give in a private. But we don't see, we can't talk about. We want to see what you give. Stop watch Kartel money. But that whole of us sit down and wait for Kartel for donate. I'm glad how you do with Kartel. You don't do nothing. You just put up a little link and say, alright, people go support. That's it. I love that. Now do nothing no more. All if you give $1 million, no. All if $100 you give, no do nothing more. No make them see. So all of who sit down and watch Kartel and watch this and what, go watch the rest of them. The rest of them enough go watch. I don't want to hear nothing about Kartel. You hear me I tell you no? Nothing about Kartel. Kartel done whole heap already. Yo, this is it for the Rumor Report, my peeps. I'm your host, Pillow Talk, and this is the Ugly Truth Podcast. Yeah, man.